And today I'm going to show you how you can start using Power BI with a sample data set. Stay tuned. Welcome to Business Technology Made Simple, where we discuss current business technology trends, interview business professionals, and discuss ways that you can improve your business. Whether you work for a large enterprise or just starting your own business, I hope to provide you with valuable information that will help you grow as a business leader. Okay, so go to this video's description, and I've got a URL to one of Microsoft's sample data sets. So go ahead and paste that in your browser window, and it'll open to this page here. On this page, you can download the Financial Sample Excel Workbook. So this will give you a sample workbook to just get started using and to learn how Power BI works. When you click this, it'll probably open up the workbook in the browser. You may have to click on download along the top. So I've already got this spreadsheet downloaded. So I'm going to open this, or show you where this is, under here, Financial Sample. And we'll open up Power BI. You can do so by typing in Power BI. We'll click to open that. So the first step to connecting data to Power BI is to click Connect or Get Data. You can click this one here, Get Data, or you can go under the Get Data tab here. Same thing, just different ways to get to it. So when I click on the Get Data, it'll give me a list of options. And the first thing I'm going to click on is Excel Workbook. So when I click at Connect on that, I'm going to go under my Downloads, and I'll find my Financial Sample, and then I'll click Open. This is going to try to map the fields automatically, and it'll pick a data type for the fields based on what was picked in Excel. But for each Excel spreadsheet, you have to pick which tab or which sheet on the spreadsheet we're using. This spreadsheet uses something called a table, so it allows us to pick it in the table format or in the sheet format. I'm going to pick the table, and then I'm going to click Transform Data. So this is the section I mentioned in the previous video called Transform Data. It's where a language called Power Query is used, and you can really filter things out, replace things, add columns, delete columns, join tables together, do all kinds of stuff here. In this video, I'm just going to close this out, and let's just make some quick visuals to show you how easy it is to get started in Power BI. Hey, Allie, come on in. Hey.
More crackers.
Wow. Hey, you want to come on the video? Whoa.
Hello.
So my daughter's also learning Power BI. Here, come on up.
Is this one?
Can you say hi to the camera?
Oh.
Here, come on up. Oh. Say hi. Look at the screen up there. Say hi. Alrighty. So you can stay right here and you can watch, alright? Yep, there's the mic. And you can eat your crackers. Can you say Power BI? Power BI. Alrighty, so we're going to add a visual here. Watch, Allie. I'm going to take a product and just drag it over here, right onto the visual. Here, I could open the crackers for you. Be right there. There you go.
It parts.
Yeah.
It takes the parts.
All right, so we've got our product here. Just drag the visual over, and you can change visuals based on what's selected here. So for example, if I wanted to do a stacked bar chart, I can click right there, and then let's say I want to look at how much profit per product. I can just click on the x-axis, and that's going to give me a nice bar chart there. So that's an introduction of how you can get just initial data set into Power BI and start using it and playing with it. Say bye, Allie. Say bye.